is the Midlife Mike Chronicles.
Okay, Jelly's doing a Crumbl review, and I'm doing a blindfold taste test challenge to see if I can pick them all. Let's go. Midlife Mike.
Are you coming home? Because me and I want to go paddleboard.
Okay. So we're gonna start with blueberry cheesecake. This is what it looks like. It's pretty hefty. I'm just gonna cut it with a knife. Okay. Yeah, I really like that one. Yeah. That was pretty good. Okay. Then we're gonna try what's it called? The cookie butter ice cream. This one seems good. Looks good. Here's what it looks like. It's very fragile. That's pretty good. It reminds me of something, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Then we're gonna try Rocky Road. And this one's pretty hard to pick up. It's kind of like falling all over the place. But see, with me, I don't really like nuts, but we're gonna try it anyway. Let's see. There's also like some marshmallow in there. So we'll see how that tastes. Okay. Not the best for me. The chocolate is like very rich, and I don't like chocolate to be that rich, so yeah. And like I said, I don't like nuts, so that's a no for me. But if you like rich chocolate and nuts, then that's a cookie for you. Next we have the Galaxy Brownie. Just like a cosmic brownie with the sprinkles and stuff, but it doesn't have that many sprinkles. I don't know why, and there's not that much icing on there. But let's try it. I think I've tried this before, but let's make sure. Okay. really good. But it tastes nothing like a cosmic brownie because the chocolate is more rich. Not as rich as the Rocky Road, but richer than the cosmic brownie. But yeah, I like that. Next is the honey bun. Let's see. Okay. I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes good, but like I don't know the word. Let me try another piece. Yeah, I don't know. But it tastes good though. And yeah, that's all. As you can see, my nails got really dirty. But it's okay. But overall I'd rate this week 6 out of 10. Maybe 6.5. Just because I didn't really like the Rocky Road. But everything else was good. And yeah, I'd recommend. And that's all. I don't know what else to say.
Is it out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hello. Back again. This is Midlife Mike. And what name you go by?
I don't know.
Oh my God. This is my daughter Jelly, and she doesn't have a name yet. So we are now doing what are we doing? What is it called? The Crumbl Taste Test Challenge. I don't know what the Crumbl flavor is. I don't know anything. So I'm supposed to blindfold myself and then taste, and I will now guess the flavors that she say it is. So she's gonna name me the flavors that are this week, right? And then yeah. So here we go. I'm blindfolded myself.
Should I just give you the flavors now?
Well, I don't need my glasses on. So yeah, give me the flavors now so I'll know, and then I'll taste, and then I'll tell you what the flavors are, because I'm miraculous.
Okay, so the flavors are blueberry cheesecake, Rocky Road, honey bun, galaxy brownie,
The cookies like honey buns. They're big, fat.
and cookie butter ice cream. Are you ready?
You ready? Man, this is, now that I'm really feeling, you know what? I can smell it. It's chocolate already. I smell it. No, I'm not even gonna touch it a lot. I'm just gonna. Oh, this is real. And this is the chocolate one. And the chocolate brownie. Give me some water. I clear my palate. So that's chocolate brownie
Okay.
with the sprinkles.
You mean galaxy brownie?
Chocolate brownie with sprinkles.
It's galaxy brownie. Okay, next one. I'm just giving you little pieces.
This one's warm. This one's like, woo, warm. We're home. Sugar cookie. With the, I guess that's the cookie butter on top. I ain't gonna touch it, but yeah, it's like, it's good. I'm good in my mouth.
Wait, so which one you think it is?
the sugar cookie, the butter cookie, sugar cookie.
What the cookie butter?
Yeah.
Ice cream?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's ice cream. It's smooth like ice cream.
What's the next one?
It's chocolate, man. I can smell the chocolate, you know? Oh. Sometimes we use my power of deduction. This is chocolate, it's gotta be the other chocolate one. And the other chocolate one was. Man, your chocolate should be thick, bro. The other chocolate one was the marshmallow chocolate volcano.
Rocky Road.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Yeah, it's all, you know what? I like the nuts and shit, so that's why I go ahead and swallow that one. You don't like chocolate, right?
I do, but not dark chocolate or like rich chocolate. What?
Great, now that was the 3 down, right?
Yeah.
What's the count? Wait, I'm about to ask you what's this one. Okay, wait. I forgot the names of it. Give me the names again. Because they only got 3 left and I know I'm good. So blueberry cheesecake and don't tell wait, now I know what it's now I want to guess. So blueberry cheesecake and the honey bun. Damn, that other one could have been the honey bun. Oh shit. I was so sure it was the buttercream. Fuck. Hold on now. Cheesecake berry, blueberry cheesecake berry.
That's your guess?
Yeah, I don't want no more either. I think that's blueberry cheesecake berry.
Okay. Stop doing that.
I can see you, dude.
You're not supposed to see anything.
You don't know what that means, do you?
No, is it from a movie?
Oh my god. No, bro, it's Stevie Wonder.
Wow. Just try to cook.
Last cookie, right? So by process of elimination, I don't think I had got the honeysuckle. Wait, oh shit, Joe, I'm feeling goo. Tell me one going got goo. Oh man, I think I fucked this all up. Okay. Okay, I gotta run it back. I gotta run it back. I fucked it all up. Wait. I messed it all up. This is the blueberry one. And the one I had before that one was that was the butter, that was the cookie butter, and then the one that started this whole fuck up was the honey bun that I got wrong, and you was like, yes, he got it wrong, so he finna mess it all up.
Yeah.
Let's take this messy ass thing out my hand.
You figured it out. Stop.
Okay, so that concludes the cookie challenge, butter challenge cookie, Crumbl cookie challenge that I just messed up. I think I'll do it next week to redeem myself without having a, yeah. So check us out on the 10-minute daily and the Midlife Mike Chronicles, and what's your name again? And the man, the Shrug Girl. I thought it was Bay Girl. It ain't Bay Girl.
Is it?
It's Shrug Girl. That may be. I'm gonna do. That's on your logo.
To send a video.